The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Minnesota beginning at 8:56 p.m. and ending at 9:56 p.m. This is a coordinated Minnesota Amber Alert from the Minnesota DCA. This is a child abduction alert. We interrupt this program to bring you this time-sensitive message. The Red Lake Tribal Police Department is searching for an abducted 3-year-old male named Ethan Stately. Ethan is a Native American boy with brown eyes and brown hair. Police are looking for a suspect named Jennifer Marie Stately, a 36-year-old Native American female in connection with this abduction. Jennifer is approximately 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighs 125 pounds with brown eyes and brown hair. Suspect was last seen driving a 2012 black Chevrolet Equinox with a Red Lake Tribal license plate number 33509. If you have any information regarding this missing child, call the Red Lake Tribal Police Department at 218-679-3313 or 911. Anyone who may locate the suspect should take no action other than contact the police as soon as possible. Stay tuned for further instructions.